my name is Rifan Prince Juniawan and my friends
Ifarang Madani.
A box wrench, also called a box end wrench, is a hand tool designed to grip nuts and bolts securely with minimal risk of slipping or rounding them off. It has a closed lobe and thud fits snugly over the fastener. Here's how to use it properly. Step by step guide. Choose the right size. Look at the nut or bolt head and select a wrench with the same size.